In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Lovable to Supabase, step by step. Before we jump in, make sure you have access to both a Supabase account and a Lovable project. We'll start by getting Supabase ready, then finish the connection inside Lovable. Open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Supabase and open the official Supabase site. If you don't already have an account, go ahead and sign up. Otherwise, log in so you're ready to authorize the integration later. Keeping this tab open will make the process smoother. Next, go to Lovable by opening lovable.dev and signing in. On the Lovable dashboard, locate your recent projects. Click the project you want to connect to Supabase. Once you're in the project, look to the top left and click the project title. That opens your project's options and settings. From there, choose Settings. Inside Settings, find and select Integrations. This is where all the available services live and where we'll link Supabase. Scroll until you see the Supabase integration card. Then click Manage to open its details. Click Connect Supabase. This will redirect you to Supabase to confirm permissions. You'll see a prompt asking you to authorize Lovable. Click Authorize Lovable to grant secure access. If you belong to multiple organizations or projects in Supabase, you may be asked to choose the correct one. Pick the workspace that matches the Lovable project you're connecting. When prompted, click Continue to finalize the authorization on the Supabase side. You'll be returned to Lovable to complete the flow. Click Connect to confirm the link. After a moment, Lovable should show that Supabase is connected. If you see a confirmation message or the status updated on the integration card, you're all set. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If the authorization window doesn't appear, check for pop-up blockers and try again. Make sure you're logged into the correct Supabase account in the same browser. If you don't see the Supabase integration right away, refresh the integrations page. And if your team uses different environments, double-check you connected the intended project before proceeding with any data operations. That's it. You've successfully connected Lovable to Supabase. With the integration in place, you can confidently move on to using Supabase features in your Lovable project, knowing the connection is authorized and ready to go. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along step by step while you set it up.